Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag your video on your YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to have an external link or a tag link to your other videos or to other shorts or any other video in YouTube, you will be needing just to start adding a related video to your shorts. So basically the first thing you will need to do is to enter to your YouTube studio. You can just go to your uh, YouTube channel and you click on your account and then you will be able to find here YouTube studio. So after you come to your YouTube studio, you will be needing just to search for your shorts. So from here, you will find in the content, you will be able to find uh, these filters and then you can choose your short. Now, all we need to do is just to edit our shorts. We click on details and basically here you will see this view. So basically all we need to do now is just to add a related video to our shorts. So basically here we can see the related video. So as you can see, by this you will be able to guide your audience to a piece of content related to this video. In this case, you will want to be able to add your video links so you can uh, re take your audience to that video. You will need just to click on it, and basically you will be needing to have this type of verification. So there are three level of verifications here in YouTube, and you need just to be able to verify uh, here. You click next, etc., and then you will be able to add your video. And of course, if you want to start to adding your verifications to your video, you can just go to your channel and then you can go to the feature eligibility and you will be able to see what you are eligible in for. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.